Hello everyone. So in my previous video, we done with one program in which it was like to draw a line between 2 points. Okay. And now suppose you don't want a line. You want only suppose that marking points from here the points are 1 and 3 and 8 and 10, and you want only like a here circle. Okay, because we have used a circle, but we can have a different types of markers. Okay, it is not like only to use a circle. We can have a asterisk sign, we can have a dot. Then if you want diamond, then we have to write capital D. Then you want diamond but thin diamond, then small d, then plus, then capital P, we can write plus sign also we can use. So there are so many options for marker that obviously we are going to cover, but in next video, not in this video. So here the first thing is, this code is only for plotting without line. So we have specified one more parameter in that plot function, that is first of all x point, then y points, and then marker, which is nothing but right now if you want O, so obviously it will come as what? O. So control S F5. See here O is there, and here also O is there, but there is no line. Okay, it is 1 comma 3 and 8 comma 10. Then next thing is, like suppose you want multiple points. Okay, let me close this. Okay, in this only I'm going to, in this video only I'm going to edit in this program actually. Suppose you have multiple points like 1 2 6 and 8, that is x points. Okay, and suppose multiple points at y-axis 3 8 2 and 10, suppose, for example. Okay, and we want line, so we will remove this because we know default is line. Okay, so now there is no like nothing like x1 and y1 only or x2 y2, but we have many x points and we have many y points. So you will find lines in the graphical form, like first line will be for 1 1 3, then in continuous you will find second line, third line, fourth line, in continuation only. So let's check the output of this also. See, 1 comma 3, then 2 comma this is 8, then 6 comma this 3, and then 8 comma this 10. See, we are getting this. Okay, so if you want graph in this format, then you can use multiple x point and multiple y points. And there is one more concept which is nothing but the default x points. Okay, suppose I have only y points, okay, no x points. So let me remove this line first of all. Okay, and here suppose if I say 3 8 2 10, and if I add 5 or 7, like suppose for example. Okay, and obviously we have removed x point, that variable also, so we have to remove this parameter also. So plot function will have only one parameter, which will be y points. And before I execute, one thing which I would like to add over here is, see, if we do not specify the points on the x-axis, then by default values for x-axis points will be 0 1 2 3 etc. It depends on the length of the y points. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 values are there. So in the x-axis it will be 0 1 2 3 4, and it will be till what? 5. Okay, so let's check the output of this also. See, 0 1 2 3 4, and then what? 5. And our y-axis are obviously based on our program only. They are taking the points. They are not taking default for y, but they are taking default for what? X-axis. Thank you everyone.